All right, everybody, let's go through some of the sticker kits that Coco Daisy offers every month that you can subscribe to. There are several of them, so buckle up. There's lots of gorgeous artwork to look at. So first we're going to start with the classic cousin kit. And there are so many beautiful sheets. This decorative artwork with a handful of phrases down at the bottom. There's also this days of the week and then all of the beautiful icons. There are enough days of the week for the whole month. Then there is also this beautiful vellum sticker sheet with some of the artwork and then also some washi strips. We also have these rectangles which will fit the width of the Hobonichi Cousin in the A5 size, and there's also a handful of boxes as well. We have another sheet of those with a different style of the boxes. And then you have your trackers and your checklists, and then also these fun little notations of certain things like cleaning the house and shopping for food and birthdays and things like that. And then we also have a great sheet of alphabet stickers, strips like washi strips, and then date stickers as well. So that is the classic cousin sticker kit. All right, next up we have the Daisy Weeks sticker kit. Now both the Daisy Weeks and the calendar sticker set are sized to work perfectly with our weeks size notebook, but they also work wonderfully with the Hobonichi Weeks planner as well. So the Daisy Weeks sticker kit includes these boxes, which are perfect. They're just a wide variety of them, and then you also have a handful of decorative boxes down here as well. And then you have some decorative stickers and then some headers, menu plan, groceries, things like that. We have these that are perfect for adding the date, and then also some icons along here as well. Then we have a couple of decorative strips. So both of these fit along the left-hand side, like for the days, but they are set up just so beautifully and they work perfectly in that size planner. And then we also have some vellum decorative stickers as well. So little vellum boxes that have phrases and artwork, and then some washi strips and dates down here. Now, like I already said, the calendar sticker kit fits perfectly in our week's notebook, but also the Hobonichi Cousin. And as you can see, this is sort of like a monthly view. So you have the April, and this one says this month. You have some decorative and some boxes, some tiny little icons, some date coverings, just a lot of things that you might use in the monthly view, but you're certainly not limited to that. Okay, now next we have our Bible journaling sticker kit. Now this one is full of beautiful artwork, including these strips and then the date stickers. And then all of these different labels. So you have some round ones, but you also have the ones that look like tabs, and all of these down here too. A really incredibly versatile alphabet sticker set. You also have a vellum decorative set that has not only different scripture, but you also have the Easter definition and some washi strips. Then we have just some beautiful decoratives. And last but not least, we have these phrases up at the top and then some of the box stickers as well. All right, now our Daisy add-on sticker kit. This is a really fun sticker kit because it's not meant specifically for any one thing. It's meant for you to use any way that you are looking for adding a little bit more Coco Daisy in your life. So we have these beautiful decorative stickers and then just some phrases down here. So like enjoy, plain and simple, see life with wonder, you know, those types of things. Then we have some different shape stickers, labels, traditional labels. Then you have hexagons and the circles. Then we have a vellum sticker sheet. These have some phrases and some decorative elements, and then also some washi strips. And then we have our beautiful red alphabet stickers. So it's just a really usable, fun little sticker kit. Okay, now we have our planner sticker kit. And this sticker kit includes some of the little vellum dots, which are so versatile and incredibly usable. We have a gorgeous decorative sticker sheet. We have a sticker sheet that is from the vellum sticker paper. It has all of the different washi strips, and then it also has those little watercolor swatches that are great for highlighting different text and anything else you can think of. You have the different decorative hexagons, but also the blank ones for writing or for layering, plus these labels, the weather stickers, headers, all kinds of really cool ones here. Okay, so then we have a sheet of box stickers and then also a handful of strips down at the bottom. Then we have our checklists and our trackers and some dates as well. And then last but not least, we have some more trackers, some heading or appointment type stickers, and then also some boxes as well. And then let's not forget those hydrate stickers. Those are always very important to make sure we're getting enough water. All right, last but not least in our stickers is our memory keeping sticker kit. This is always a fan fave because it is not only really versatile, but if you do choose to use it in a memory planner or for memory keeping, it's just really usable and very beautiful. All right, so we have these vellum phrases. Then we also have the box stickers, which fit perfectly in our daisy planner or in a planner that has 2-inch wide columns. Then we have another sheet of those beauties, plus at the bottom of both of these there are some strips. Then we have this sheet, which I always really love because it has the phrases, which are great for layering with photos, and then we have the dates, plus a handful of circles and strips. Talk about a really versatile sheet of stickers. Then we have a sheet of just decorative stickers, all just meant to highlight and make everything a little bit more beautiful and add a little bit more cocoa daisy to your project. And then the little label stickers at the bottom. We have some alphabet stickers, which are just indispensable. Can't do it without them. And then last but not least, this sheet of vellum stickers that has not only beautiful images, but has some inspiring phrases as well. So that is the memory keeping sticker kit, and you can subscribe to all of these in the shop, and they are just a wonderful way to add a little bit of function and a little bit of beauty to your plans each month. All right, so now let's talk about some of the bits and the bobs that we haven't gone over yet. That would include the dashboards, which come in both personal and A5 size, and you'll get both of those when you subscribe to these. They're perfect for using for planner dashboards, but as you can see, the art is always incredibly beautiful, and you can frame these, you can add them to scrapbook layouts. There's really a lot of ways to use these beautiful dashboards. I'm going to flip through the A5 size just so that you get a better look at them, but the art is the same, just sized for the personal size. I think we're all going to be very happy when April is here. Okay, maybe I should just speak for myself. And obviously this one is special since that is the name of the Serenity Collection. The obstacle is the path. So you receive all of those, and then like I said, they also come in the personal size as well. All right, so another fantastic item that you can subscribe to each month is our stamp subscription. This month it happens to be a really super versatile 4x6 alphabet stamp set. It is amazing. It's just absolutely fantastic. It's got numbers and letters, so you'll be able to use all of those in your projects, your planners, your journals, all of it. All right, now This next one is our beautiful, beautiful pouch. This month it is a fabric pouch. You can see here with all this beautiful artwork, and look at that, so beautiful. It's on just a natural colored fabric background, and it has a black tassel that I accidentally, it's a long story what happened to it, but rest assured it is completely user error, and it is nothing the matter with the tassel. I just happened to get it stuck, etc., etc. These are wonderful for corralling all of your crafting supplies, but they're great in your home too. So you can put cosmetics in them. You can put, I like to have one in my car when my kids were a little bit younger, of like sauce packets, things like that. That's especially handy on the plastic pouches, those months that we have those. They're just really, really versatile, and then you get to add a little bit of beauty and whimsy and Cocoa Daisy to your life. And then last but not least, we have our Washi Trio. So each month there is a Washi Trio that you can also subscribe to, just like all the rest of these items, and it includes 3 rolls of washi tape. It usually includes the planner kit washi tape and then 2 others as well that change each month. So let's go ahead and take a look at all of these. They're so pretty. So this month we have the fans, which is part of our creative kit. It's just a really, really beautiful washi tape, and it coordinates with the collection so beautifully. And then we also have the cherry blossoms as well, which is part of the planner kit. I love this one so much because I really am enjoying the pink color that is the background of this particular washi tape. And then last but not least in this particular subscription is the scallops. It's kind of a salmon color, so pretty, really usable. So you can subscribe to this Washi Trio, you can subscribe to the dashboards, the alphabet stamps, the pouch, the stickers. I think you get the hint. You can check out everything on the subscribe page at cocodaisy.com and subscribe to the items that you cannot live without.